Alrighty folks, we're putting lights on the tanker. There's nothing better than having plenty of LED lighting when you're backing into dark spots in the middle of the night. So, you see we got them all along that top rail there. But how did we do that? And here we go, I'll show you. Okay, so we are going to mount lights on the tanker. But what do you do when you have no way to put a backing bolt in to bolt something to your fastening? Nutsert tool. Nutsert will go in there, be crimped into the metal, and then you'll have a place to put your bolt. Let's get started. No, just a little bit into there. I'm using a step bit. I don't actually recommend using a step bit unless you're very careful, because you can easily oversize your hole for the nutsert. I'll keep checking. Can this even see what I'm doing here? There we go. Let's try it like that. And you definitely want to keep checking because you don't want to go too big with that. A little at a time. Getting close. Really close. I think that's going to do it. Alright, time to crimp it down. Now your nutsert tool has different size fittings here for different size nutserts. This is a 15/16 by 18, and I ordered stainless steel nutserts for going in here. So you're going to open your tool up all the way, screw your nutsert down on there. Put that in there. Hold that right there, bud. Alright. And then we, oh God, give it heck. There you go, folks. There. Now you've got a place to put your bolt. Thread right on in there. And that's how you do a nutsert. There we go. We have it nicely mounted. Sturdy, ain't going nowhere. Just a quick little deal on nutserts. Similar to a hook bolt, but it's not. It's a nutsert. Just a way to flush mount threaded nutsert into somewhere you can't get a bolt or a backer bolt. So, alrighty, folks.